Yeah, buddy. Hello, Sophie. Hello, Dakota. Hear them ducks in there. You hear them chickens? Don't make the chickens angry. They can be real packers. Let's see when we open this door. Watch, they come flying out. Hey guys. Who else coming out? Come on out. Come on out, stay a while. Where did you come from? I like to prop that board up because sometimes the thing will fall out. That hook. There's Willow over there. That's Willow. That's the new dog Merle, and that's Bluebell. The pit bull Bella, we had to put her down. She was the best dog ever. Hear them ducks in there quacking like it. Barking. Gotta bust this. Noisy little sucker. Quacky. There you go, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rage Against the Machine. Come on, guys. Suckers came out. Why don't you get out of there? Come on. I see the eggs. Willow had to go tell me there's eggs in there. Little turd. So one thing I wanted to know is last night there was an egg right here and today it's gone. And something's coming in because I heard Bluebell barking late at night. Chase something all the way out through the wash and stuff. Look at those suckers run. They'll come back when I get some scratch for them, watch. Look at this little straggler. What's up, buddy? You have large talons for such a little guy. You waiting for some scratch? Look at that one, saw me get the scratch and jumped off. There must be some eggs down there, but she left that one in charge. So let's go see if any of them come and throw the scratch down. See, this little guy needed some food. There. Watch yourself, big girl. Come on. There you go, guys. Go get some of that scratch. Go get some of that scratch. Little omelet makers. Look at these little crybabies. I'm coming to feed you guys. Oh man, there goes Jenny. Cry baby Jenny, boy. Hi buddy, I'm gonna get you some food right now. Go get your bucket for me. Can you get your bucket? Oh, Sophie. Go get it for me. Go get your bucket. Go get your bucket. Go get your bucket. Dakota, I'm coming. You better quit kicking. You gonna go get your bucket? Go get your bucket. Bring it over here. Don't be acting out just because the camera's on you. Go get your bucket. I see your nose. You little turd. What's up, guys? I mean, when's the new album dropping? This is Jenny. I forgot this one's name. Hey, why the long face? Hee hee. Hee hee hee. Okay, let me get you. Hey, quit crying. Okay, now everybody's fed and happy. Just gotta wait till it warms up a bit and top off their waters. And we'll be good. So this is all I've been doing yesterday and today, is taking care of my mom's animals. She had to go out of town. Thanks for coming to feed animals with me at my mom's. Appreciate it. Okay, let's get out of here.